Do you know elephants are the only animal that cannot jump? Yes, you heard right. They can run up to 40 kilometers per hour, but they cannot jump. Hello everybody. Let us know some important things about elephants. The largest territorial mammals exist on Earth. Elephant, commonly known as Hathi, Hasti, or Hathni, they are the largest land animals exist since 50 million years in the earth. Currently, three species of elephants persist in Africa and Asia. African elephants are larger. There are two species of African elephants found, and one Asian elephant are comparatively smaller. Let us know some distinctive character of elephants. They are the unique type of animals found on the planet, also known as proboscideans or trunked creatures. They have a grey, wrinkled skin all over the body, enlarged incisors that form tusks. They have elongated snout that forms trunk, extra large ears that aid cooling of their body, large columnar legs that support their massive weight, medium-sized tail with steep bristle. They are big, social, intelligent, nomadic animals. Government of India declared as National Heritage Animal in October 2010. Male Asian elephants have a pair of tusks, but the female don't have. They have small dental protuberances called tusses. We also found some tuskless males. They are called as makhna. Elephants have very poor eyesight, but they have a keen nose. They have more smell receptors than any mammal, including dogs, and can sniff out food that is several miles away. Elephants have good hearing also. They can frequently use infrasonic sounds, which are sounds emitted below the human hearing range. They use this in long distance communication. Asian elephants found in India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam. An adult Asian elephant can take up to 240 kg of fresh plant materials in a day. That means 18 hours a day, the time an elephant spends eating to fuel its huge body. They are crepuscular, mega herbivore animal, active throughout day and night. They are both browsers and grazers. Browsers means they feed on shrubs and trees. Grazers means feeding on grass. Their large grinding molars ensure that they can eat almost any kind of plant materials, including twigs, barks, grasses, whole plants, fruits, even roots of the plant. They move continuously as they feed, allowing the vegetation to regenerate naturally. They also defecate continuously about 16 to 18 times a day as they feed, resulting producing about 100 kg of dung in a day. They can ingest over 100 liters of water at one time, and they can drink up to 225 liters of water in a single day. Elephants do not drink through their trunks. They just suck water to squirt it directly into their mouth. Interestingly, they can smell water 3 miles away. Baby elephants can drink over 80 liters of milk per a single day. Bamboo is one of the most favorite food plants in their natural habitat. Among cultivated crops, they attract mostly on rice, bananas, and sugarcane. They use a range of vocalization to communicate, like tummy rumbles, low chirps, roars, loud trumpets. Roars and loud trumpets they use during aggression or when disturbed. They are the first land animals to communicate infrasonically, especially when separated by thick vegetation that they cannot be perceived by human ear. Research found that African elephants they can communicate 4 kilometers away from one another. Herds that can have females of different ages and young immature males. Adult males are typically solitary. They associate with family groups only for mating. Matriarch takes the lead in decision making and the rest of the herd follows her in the direction of the movement and other activities. It is found that two elephant families or herds that are not known to be related may show complex greetings when they meet, indicating friendliness from a distance. Elephants live as long as human beings, means we live. Average lifespan ranges from 60 to 70 years. Males get sexually matured at the age of 15 years, while a female elephant can give birth in between 12 to 15 years. Gestation period is 20 to 22 months and they can give one calf in every 4 to 5 years. One interesting point comes out that is moth. Moth, a condition which involves a sharp increase in testosterone level in the blood. Testosterone increases sperm production, sexual drive, and aggression, all of which are favorable for a successful reproduction. Generally, most period goes from 4 to 6 weeks. During most period, urine keeps dribbling, leaving both his penis and highlights constantly wet. In 4 words, elephant can be described as big, social, intelligent, and nomadic. They are the mega herbivores, means they need to eat large amount of forage and eat continuously so that they have to move each and every part of their territory. It's the part of natural cycle for elephant to move locally across traditional tracks and return to the same forest once natural regeneration has brought back their food sources. The traditional used path is called corridor. Their range is in between 300 to 1000 square kilometer that they move annually and the range depends upon the forest cover and their safety. Human elephant conflict is nowadays the biggest threat to elephant. Male elephants have been poached for their tusk. That's why Government of India declared elephant as the national heritage animal. Besides poaching, elephants are getting killed by electrocution, railway accident, road accident, and some of the diseases. Some of the protection strategy are use of Android based mobile app to record daily locations and movement of elephants with constitution of elephant monitoring cell at forest division office, circle office and state headquarters. Department is taking a lot of pain for the protection of the mega herbivore. To regular monitoring their presence that is 24 into 7, and to ensure proper coordination among divisions resulting effective reduce department like electric, road, railways, and they monitor their movement and report to the line department regularly. Use of elephant monitoring app helps to locate and share their locations so that depredation is minimized. Gajabandhu, a scheme that is used in various states of India, that means involvement of more and more people through VSS and EDC. Trackers and squads, they are being used. They equipped with vehicles, arms, VHFs. Elephants also being monitored through drone. Modern methods like early warning system, bulk SMS system helps to know the position of elephant so that damage can be minimized. Besides this, for a long run, we can improve their habitat. That means creation and maintenance of water bodies, plantation of fodder and fruit bearing trees around the water body, further block plantation and maintenance, that is some of the tree species like bamboo seed ball, means we can use bamboo seed balls, rejuvenation of wildlife corridor, creation and maintenance of salt licks, immunization of cattle which are found in the fringe villages of the national park or sanctuary or the reserve forest where elephants are found. Invasive weed eradication, meadow development, these are some of the methods where habitat can be improvement and human elephant conflict can be minimized. Elephants in Indian culture. Elephants are the most recognizable and arguably the most loved figure in Indian religion. We all know Lord Ganesha, the elephant headed god. We also found the proof of elephant during war period. During Mahabharata also we know Ashwasthama. We can also found the proof of elephant during Mohenjo-daro period. We also have the evidence of elephant used during war of Puru and Alexander. Do you think elephants can swim? Yes, they are excellent swimmers. If you found this video is helpful, then please like and subscribe this channel and share among your friends and students.